Fear is the most expensive emotion in trading. Not a bad strategy, not a bad stock pick, not bad timing. Fear. It freezes you before you execute. It panics you into selling too early. It keeps you on the sidelines, watching everyone else build wealth while you wait for the perfect moment that never comes. Here's what most trading educators won't tell you. Fear isn't a personality flaw. It's not weakness. It's your brain doing exactly what it was designed to do: protect you from danger. The problem is, your brain can't tell the difference between a bear attack and a red candlestick. It treats both like a life or death situation. And when your brain goes into survival mode, rational thinking shuts down, discipline disappears, and you make the worst possible decisions at the worst possible moment. So how do you trade without fear? 3 steps. Write these down. Step 1. Separate emotion from execution. Before you place any trade, ask yourself, am I making this decision from a plan or from a feeling? If it's a feeling, step away. Come back in 10 minutes. Step 2. Start without real money. Fear multiplies when real capital is on the line. Paper trading lets your brain learn the patterns without your survival instinct kicking in. You build confidence before you build positions. Step 3. Accept the loss before you enter. Professional traders don't fear losses. They plan for them. They know exactly how much they're willing to lose before they click buy. When you accept the worst case up front, fear loses its power over you. These 3 steps are the foundation of what we teach at Market Mindset University. Psychology first, strategy second. Because here's the truth. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if fear is controlling your decisions, you will never execute trades correctly. The strategy isn't the problem. The trader behind the strategy is. If you're ready to stop letting fear determine your destiny, I want to invite you to Day 0 at Market Mindset University. It's free to start. No trading capital required. No experience needed. Just a commitment to learning the psychology behind consistent trading before you risk a single dollar. Click the link in the description. Go to marketmindsetuniversity.com to enroll. Start free today. Trade without fear. That's what we're building together.